Have you ever wondered what a blood type is? Here's Alicia, Sam McGill, and Jordan Carswell to explain it to you.
Hey Jordan, do you know your blood type?
I'm not sure. What's a blood type?
Good question. A blood type is the presence or absence of two antigens in your blood cells, A or B, for example. I'm type A, so I've got A antigens and antibodies against type B. Everyone can either have A, B, AB, or O.
Oh yeah, I know my blood type. It's O, which makes me a universal donor.
What's a universal donor?
You mentioned everyone can have A, B, AB, or O. This chart shows who can donate where. A, B, and AB don't have antibodies against O.
But yours won't accept mine. O can only accept from O because it has antibodies against everything else. In fact, AB is a universal receiver because it lacks antibodies.
Cool. Hey, Alicia, I have a joke for you. What is a pessimist blood type? B negative.
Ha ha! But speaking of negative, what's up with that in blood? I'm A positive. What does that mean for me?
Positive or negative blood comes from the Rh factor, which is determined by the presence or absence of a protein in your blood.
Oh, so since I've got the protein, I'm positive. But if I didn't, I'd be negative, right?
Precisely. So when we do blood transfusions, negative blood needs negative transfusions. I'm O negative myself, so I lack the protein.
So you really are a universal donor. People with the protein can accept either positive or negative blood. Negative blood types can only accept blood from other negative types. Good news is about 85% of the population is positive for this protein. That's so important too because 1 in 7 people are in need of blood when they enter the hospital. A transfusion is needed somewhere in the world every 2 seconds.
Did you know each ethnicity has a blood type that is more common for them to have?
Yeah, I'm Hispanic, so the most common blood type for me is O positive. A positive, my blood type, is the second most with 29%. The least common among Hispanics is AB negative, as only about 0.2% will carry this type.
Well, I'm Caucasian, so the most common type for me would be O positive at 37%, and the least common is AB negative at 1%. I'm pretty uncommon too. O negative is only 8% of Caucasians. It's very important to know your blood type. It can save your life.